Hey you guys, sorry it took so long to make this video, but finally getting around to it. I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys where I live. So here's the front. I'll show you the full view down the hall. So here's our room. We have our Halloween skull up right now. Here's our bathroom. Yes, it's beautiful. So here's our little hallway with our trash cans and stuff. Here's our little kitchenette area. All our stuff set up. And here's our, I don't know, what do you call this, vanity area stuff. Hi! I miss you guys. Here's everything. Here's my towel, it's the black one. So here's my room, and Belinda's room. So this is Belinda's side. Hello. Got our window and stuff on that side. Little messy, I'm just kidding. And then this is my side. Got the mirror and the printer and my desk. And here's our closet. My side's open right now. It shouldn't be like that. Yeah, so I don't know. This setup's a little crampy. The room is huge. If you see the ceilings, they're really high. But this bed, we want to move it probably against that wall and flip it that way, different way, whatever. I'll show you guys later. But yeah, so that's the dorm. Stephanie's room and stuff is already closed, but maybe another time I'll let you see that. It's all closed. Well, I miss you guys and hope you like this. I'll talk to you soon.